end to this game.
Oh, look at the drama.
Oh,
No, that's
what's
not nice.
going on?
That is not nice. That is not nice. You need to be very, very careful out there in the middle.
Let delivery once again. Going for the second run. And comfortable. Comfortably taken. Shenke.
Oh, he's killing the Yorkers. He's absolutely nailing the Yorkers.
This is what I was talking about. He's kept.
Oh, once again a short delivery, trying to swing it through to the leg side. I think that's where he got it all wrong. He should have just played through the line.
This is top class entertainment. Oh, the
We will have to base it. Oh, smashes it down the ground, but that is protection. Will be just a one run. They're coming back for the second run. They're coming back for the second run.
So India needed 12 runs. Oh, Mesway goes for the boundary for 4.
Well, the Sri Lankans, they wouldn't really mind it.
What a delivery. Northern hero, Koganas Mathulan, delivers Naka A, winning this game in a crunching game. Lot of entertainment coming in, lot of